Okay, this week's tour starts on the bottom deck. Got all the stone in place. That door will be painted some other color. There's my gas tank, gas supply line. These are going to be wrapped in copper. Here comes the movie man. Here we are, people going up into the loft.
Want to go in?
Hi, Daddy, up here.
Hey, and it's already made it. Up we go.
Is Dad coming?
Here comes Dad.
Oh, okay.
You show off the. Okay.
Yes, that's good. Now your bed. Wait.
Oh, they're making beds.
Actually, this is my bed.
That's your bed?
And this is a little bit.
Okay, and Mom's going to show how to
Let me put it.
just pull it straight up.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
There you go. Now we can't fall through anymore. All 5 floors buckles up in the loft.
All right, I'm going to go in the bed first.
Make it a bed.
Dad, turn around so you can show them the glass window.
Okay.
That's my bed.
There we go.
Oh, it is my
Looking down at the kitchen from on high.
bed first. You don't make another bed. No, those are all mine.
Barn board, barn board, barn board. And the fireplace is all squared away. And we have appliances. And the column has been wrapped with barn board.
Do it in just a little bit.
And now I need the thing opened here for me. Who's going to open it?
I'll open it.
Amy's going to open it. Pull it all the way back. And there goes Ava. Okay, here comes Dad. Here's Amy.
Dad, watch out for the plastic things at the bottom. Daddy, looking.
Hey.
Dad, look. Oh, snap.
You got yourself. Okay. Here we are. Chandelier. Sconces.
They even go on if you want to. Amy still got lights on.
Oh, yeah. Dad, the lights go on.
Excellent. Yeah. Throw the lights on and see how it looks. Here's the view from this corner. See the barn board wrap goes all the way up the column. And here's our gigantic beefy mantelpiece. Let's go see the back bedrooms. Hey, we got light. Coffee bar. And we got the bathroom. We don't have lights on in here just yet. We have a vanity going into place. It's custom made.
It's not custom made.
It is. This is custom made. We have-
Right out of this garage.
Well, the wood that goes around it is custom made. Here's our barn board bookcase. Girls' room. additional lights if it's necessary. Our bedroom.
And they all have chunky things here.
Yeah, kind of chunky controller.
Going too fast.
Bedroom. And we're out here on the fenced-in, screened-in deck. There's the fan that goes there. And we have our railings all installed. It still needs to be painted. That's our air conditioner, pretty quiet. Okay. A quick zip downstairs. There is the barn board door that covers the big shelf here. Of course, this is just temporary hardware. We'll get real hardware. There's Ava. Take a look downstairs. We're going to have cork flooring in here. Here's the columns that cover up the old steel beams. And this is still a work in progress. This will be all barn board in here, our workshop. And we've got the window wells coming into place. And that's pretty much the house tour.
Show the stone on the outside.
Oh, I did.
Oh, you did good.
Signing off. Anything to say?
I love you guys.
Okay.